Reflets d'Afrique Télévision, le Flash Info, the Breaking News.
Hey viewers, this is a Flash Info on Reflets d'Afrique Television. Botswana's president released from isolation. The office of the president on Wednesday announced that the director of health services, Malaki Shimpayage, has released President Mokwesi Masisi from home quarantine with immediate effect. This follows the release of his COVID-19 test results on the 31st March, which came out negative. Masisi was placed under self-quarantine following his decision to attend the inauguration of Namibian President Hage Geingob recently. He is expected to announce guidelines on how he intends to implement some of the sweeping measures after declared a state of emergency on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Botswana police spokesperson Difego Matube confirmed that they have arrested a number of people who violate some of the measures put in place to combat the coronavirus, such as sale of alcohol, spreading of false information, and large public gatherings. Death toll in a rainstorm in Brazzaville rises up to 20. 20 people have lost their lives in the Brazzaville commune of Kintele following a heavy rainstorm on Wednesday morning. The city mayor, Stella Mensha Sasungeso, has announced, according to Sasungeso, 13 victims were struck by lightning that disintegrated EHV cables of the Electric Company of Congo and were deposited at the morgue of the Talagwe Base Hospital located in the 6th arrondissement of Brazzaville, and 7 others were deposited at the municipal morgue of the Brazzaville Hospital and University Center in the 3rd arrondissement of Poto. Report states that residents of Brazzaville are in the early stage of the implementation of the lockdown and curfew imposed by the country's authorities to contain the spread of the COVID-19. Cameroon confirms 7th coronavirus death. Cameroon's COVID-19 death cases have moved up to 7. The public health minister confirmed this Thursday morning. Dr. Malachi Manauda said in a tweet early this morning that the victim was a patient under observation at the Buea Regional Hospital who finally tested positive with COVID-19 and succumbed to the killer virus. Besides that, the health boss equally communicated updates on the COVID-19 confirmed cases in the country. According to his tweet last night, Cameroon recorded 38 more cases, that is 36 who tested positive out of 114 in Yaoundé, 1 who tested positive out of 9 in Bafoussam, and 1 who tested positive in Buea and unfortunately died. This, added to the cases confirmed yesterday evening, makes a total of 184 confirmed cases as at this Thursday morning. The massive sensitization and screening campaign earlier announced by public health officials kicks off this day in Douala and will last for 6 days. COVID-19 still, Cameroonians advised to wear face masks as cases hit more than 200 in less than 24 hours. 24 people tested positive with the COVID-19 pandemic in Cameroon, taking the total number of confirmed cases to more than 200. In a tweet this morning, the Minister of Public Health, Dr. Malachi Manauda, called for more vigilance and on the part of Cameroonians and advised everyone to put on a face mask when stepping out of the house or otherwise stay at home. After the meeting held at the Regional Finance Control Conference Room on Tuesday, presided by the first prefectorial deputy locally elected deployed in the field of the municipality of Manjo and Konsamba II, Having recognized the scarcity of the face mask in the market, the mayor of Manjo decided to bring a solution for the population by organizing the fabrication of face masks that she distributed to the population after urging them to participate in the washing of hands exercise. Coronavirus in Africa, 5,856 cases, 201 deaths, 430 recoveries. There are now more than over 5,250 confirmed cases of coronavirus across the continent, with a number of African countries imposing a range of prevention and containment measures against the spread of the pandemic. According to the latest data by the African Center for Disease Control on COVID-19 in Africa, the breakdown remains fluid as countries confirmed cases as and when. The whole of Africa has rising cases, with a handful of countries holding out. We shall keep updating this list, which will be put in subcontinental blogs. East, West, Central, Southern and North Africa. All statistics are sourced from the Africa CDC updates, from the Johns Hopkins University, and from official government data. The classifications are based on where the countries are located, especially in the case of countries that belong to two different blocks like Tanzania in East Africa, despite belonging to EAC and SADC. We end here for today. Let us all mobilize to stop the spread of the coronavirus. It has never been so easy to save lives by staying home, washing your hands with clean flowing water and soap, or use a hydroalcoholic solution. Thanks for watching, beautiful people. Be safe and stay blessed.